Hey guys, it's Kevin the Boss here again, and I'm doing another YouTube video. So this is me playing Roblox. I'm playing on Mega Ninja's account just because it's stupid fun, and I really like this because he's boss on this. So yeah, this is my friend Rush. Rush, say hi. Say hi to me. Rush, say hi. Yeah. Yeah, these guys are all going to be in the video just because I like having people. I like having people. It's really fun here. So you should all go try this game out. It's called Dragon Ball Final on Roblox. It's really awesome. He has 3 health bars now. How? He had 10. How? He had 10. So, yeah. So, this is it. I don't... Oh, he was false. He was SSJ. Yeah, that's not gonna do any damage whatsoever. Ooh! Big thing coming at me, huh? Say it. Donut. What? Ooh! Why did he die? And who just Kamehameha to me? Every one of these guys will be in this video, okay? So, yeah. This is me playing Dragon Ball Final. I don't have much to talk about right now. I'm just playing as Mega Ninja's account. I don't have really quite a lot to talk about. So, yeah. So, I'm just gonna do God Burst, I guess. Oh, wait, do I even have God Burst? Yeah, there it is. God Burst. God Burst! Sure. Hang on, let me fuse this guy again. Fusco, or I don't know what it's called. Fusion Tanglage. There's 2 right there. Oh, hang on. And Fusion. Oh man, Ki will. Fusion. Ooh. Yeah. There we go. Gotta play as my character. Yeah, I'm still pretty much immortal on this. Well, I'm probably immune. I like playing as Super Saiyan 1 and Super Saiyan 3 and Super Saiyan God because I like the Super Saiyan 3 hair. Idiot. 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 Special, what was it? Special energy? I like that, and boom, boom. Boom, and boom. So, boom, bada boom. This is how you take down a guy, and Dragon Ball Final. Charge up your Ki, get a really, really powerful move and shoot it at him. Like that guy just did. Losers. Oh my god. What the fuck is everybody doing? I gotta remember to talk while I'm doing videos because I really don't have a lot to talk about. So yeah. What the fuck? Oh. There's Rash. Sure. Sure. Let's see if he can kill me. Let's see if he can actually kill me with that combo. Oh my god, it does. Dang, that's a lot of damage. Sorry about that. Jesus Christ. Oy, oy. Nope, still. Nope, still not working. God and SSJ3. Well, I don't know, man. Probably because you're using Goku as a character, not just Kid Goku, full Goku. That guy's overpowered as hell. I have no idea who all these characters are except for Goku and the Kid Buu Goku, I think. And Vegeta. And Raditz, because I used to play as him a lot. Because Raditz was cool. I like Raditz. So yeah, this was just gonna be another me plays episode of what? This was an episode of me playing Dragon Ball Final. So it's a little short, but you know. So if you all enjoy this video, see you all next time. Bye.